For homeowners in Redmond, double-hung windows are among the most popular choices, and for good reason. They're timeless, versatile, and easy to clean, making them ideal for the region's blend of traditional and contemporary homes. But once you've chosen your new windows, one big question remains. Should you tackle installation yourself, or call in a professional? Both approaches have pros and cons, and understanding them can help you make the best decision for your home, your budget, and your peace of mind. What makes double-hung windows a great choice? Before comparing installation methods, it's worth remembering why double-hung windows are such a favorite in Redmond homes. Unlike single-hung models, both the upper and lower sashes on a double-hung window move, allowing for improved ventilation and easy cleaning. This design makes them perfect for the Pacific Northwest mild but variable climate, where you want flexibility in airflow without compromising insulation. They also complement a wide variety of architectural styles, from Redmond's craftsman and colonial homes to sleek new builds. When installed correctly, they're energy efficient, durable, and visually appealing. De-installation. Is it worth the risk? At first glance, DIY window installation might seem appealing, especially for homeowners who enjoy hands-on projects. With plenty of tutorials available online and the promise of saving on labor costs, it can feel like a cost-effective route. However, installing double-hung windows properly is far more complex than it appears. Precision matters. Even the slightest misalignment can lead to air leaks and reduced energy efficiency, moisture infiltration, and eventual mold growth, difficulty opening or closing the sashes, warping or cracking of the frame over time. Additionally, installing windows often requires specialized tools and knowledge of local Redmond building codes, as well as an understanding of proper flashing and sealing techniques to prevent water damage, especially important in the region's rainy climate. A small mistake can lead to costly repairs, not to mention voiding the manufacturer's warranty. For homeowners who value long-term performance, DIY can quickly become a false economy. Professional installation. The smart investment when you hire a professional window installer in Redmond. You're not just paying for labor. You're investing in expertise, precision, and peace of mind. Certified installers understand how to ensure a perfect fit, secure seal, and proper alignment for optimal performance. Here's what professional installation offers. Accurate measurement and fit. Professionals take precise measurements to ensure your windows fit snugly and function as designed. This reduces gaps, air leaks, and potential drafts. Proper insulation and sealing. In Redmond's cool, damp environment, insulation and sealing are critical. Professionals use the right materials and techniques to prevent moisture intrusion and maintain energy efficiency. Warranty protection. Most window manufacturers require professional installation to keep warranties valid. That means if anything goes wrong, your investment is protected. Code compliance and safety. Professionals are familiar with local building codes and can ensure installations meet all safety and efficiency standards. Clean, efficient process. With an expert team, installation is quick and seamless. They'll handle cleanup and disposal, leaving your home spotless and ready to enjoy. While professional installation has a higher upfront cost, it typically delivers better performance and longer-lasting results, saving you money in energy bills and future repairs. Finding the right professionals in Redmond. When choosing a window installer, look for local experience with Redmond's climate and architectural style, certified partnerships with reputable window manufacturers, positive customer reviews, and transparent pricing, warranty coverage on both materials and workmanship. A reputable local installer will walk you through your options, recommend the best materials for your home, and handle the project with attention to detail. The bottom line for homeowners in Redmond: replacing or upgrading to double-hung windows is a smart move for comfort, energy savings, and curb appeal. But how they're installed can make all the difference. While a DIY approach might seem cheaper, it carries significant risks, from poor insulation to costly water damage. Professional installation, on the other hand, ensures your windows perform as beautifully as they look, year after year. If you want efficiency, durability, and peace of mind, trust the experts. A properly installed set of double-hung windows will not only elevate your Redmond home's charm but also keep it comfortable through every season.